Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to connect your Philips PFS3969 TV to the Wi-Fi. To do that, from the home screen of your device, you're going to have to navigate to the gear icon in the top right corner of your device's screen. Then scroll down to Wireless and Networks tab and open it. Then select Wired or Wi-Fi. Select Connect to the network. Then select Configure Network, select Wireless, then wait for the available routers list to appear on your screen. And if you don't see your Wi-Fi router here, click Scan again and let your TV search one more time. Now select a network that you want to connect to and enter the password to it using the D-pad to navigate on the on-screen keyboard. OK button to select a digit or a character, and to remove it, use this tool. Once you've entered the password, navigate to Enter and press OK. Wait until your TV is connected to the internet and then click OK to finish. And right now select Check the Network, try again, and at some point your TV will be connected to the internet. Then just return to the home screen and everything, and you'll gain the access to all the web services. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.